This learning is Leili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Kilayim, Perek Zayin, Mishna Beis. Hamavrich Shalish Gefonim Vikareim Nirim. If someone takes 3 vines that are in a row and is mavrich each of them into the ground and brings it up at a distance, so we essentially have over here now 2 rows of 3 vines. So Rabbi Eliezer Bar Tzadok Rabbi Eliezer Bar Tzadok says that im yesh b'neim me arba amis va'at shmeina, if there's a distance of 4 to 8 amis between these 2 rows, so then we look at them as regular 2 rows of vines, and therefore harei elu mitztarfes, they join together to be considered a vineyard. And now a person has to distance Kilayim by 4 amis, and not just 6 tfachim like a person has to do from an individual vine. Ve'im lav, and if they're not between 4 and 8 amas away, so then it's missing that requirement of a vineyard, and therefore the halacha is einam mitztarfes, they don't combine to be considered a vineyard, and a person only has to distance the Kelayim by 6 tfachim. The Mishnah continues, gefen sheyavsha, a vine that dried out, so it's not considered a vine anymore. However, a person may think that it's still a living vine. So therefore, because of maris ayin, asura, it is forbidden for a person to plant Kilayim near it. However, since it's not really Kilayim because the vine died, ve'eina mekadeshes, it won't make what a person plants over there to be Kilayim. The Mishnah continues, Rabbi Meir says, Aft semer gefen, also cotton, which is called semer gefen because the plant is similar to a gefen, to a vine. Since it looks like a gefen, so therefore also it's forbidden for a person to plant there the Kilayim of a vineyard. However, since it's only maris ayin and it's not really a vine, therefore ve'ena mekadesh, if a person did plant kilayim over there, it doesn't make it usher like a vineyard would. And the Mishnah concludes, Rabbi Eliezer Bar Tzadok Eimer Mishmoi. Rabbi Eliezer Bar Tzadok says in the name of Rabbi Meir that afal gabe hagefen usher ve'ena mekadesh. Another case where something is usher, but it doesn't make it to be kilayim if a person does it, is the case that we learned about in the previous Mishnah, where we said that if a person brings the vine that comes out of the ground back into the ground, we said if there's less than 3 tfachim of earth and a person plants kilayim, it'll make it usher. He says this isser is only midrabanan, and therefore, even though it is usher, if a person goes against this isser and plants kilayim there, it will not make the kilayim or the vine to be usher.